Hi, Farmer Paul. What are you up to today? Farmer Paul is busy ploughing his field. The prime purpose of ploughing the field is to turn over the topsoil and bring fresh nutrients to the surface. This also buries old weeds and old remains of crops to decay. Did you know that the trenches that the plough creates are called furrows? You can just about see here the soil being flipped over by the plough. Can you spot those big birds? Those are red kites. When Farmer Paul gets to the end of a row, he has to turn round to go back again. This also means that the plough has to flip over. There he goes. This makes all the furrows that Farmer Paul is creating with the plough turn over the right way. When Farmer Paul has ploughed the whole field, he'll let it dry out. He'll then press it, and then it'll be ready to cultivate and then drill with new crop in the spring. Well, thanks Farmer Paul for another fun field day on the farm and for teaching us how you plough your field. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Farmer Paul's YouTube channel. It's free. So what are you waiting for? See you soon. Bye-bye.